na yun.
Babi bunso. Yun na, ingat. Love you.
Meron bang ano yun? Mas?
Oo, yes. Ko kayo naman sana sa...
Oh, Pogi! Mga Pogi! Ano yan? Sila ba yan dyan? Ito po, kapal na. Dalawang isno pa lang yan.
Dalawang isno pa lang tayo, di ba? Wala na yun.
Dalawang isno pa lang. Dalawang beses pa lang. Gano'n na kakapal.
Pangalawang bagsak.
Ito mga intersection ng mahirap kaya. Oh, nahirapan yung
Ay,
sasakyan.
mga car, oh. Ayan.
Si Risa. Eh, hati siguro yung anak.
Doon siya nakatira kala, Mitch?
Umits. Bahay nila yun eh.
Ah, wala. Parang
Si
din ba?
Risa sa ano yung Rona.
Kaya malinis na dito yung daan.
Talaga. Nililinis ka agad to.
Eh, ano to yung highway eh.
Talaga. Ito mga busy street.
Wow, ang driver. Hi, Mr. Driver. Ay, marami pang ibabagsak, babe. Maputi pa yung langit eh. Dito medyo blue na. Marami pang isnang babagsak dyan.
Meron pala.
Anong
Paano
meron?
hindi ko nakita?
Ano meron?
May sakyan.
Eh, ba't di mo nakita, babe?
Just how hard would it be to tell them of God's love and that He died to set us free?
Hindi ka pa pumunta eh. Laki-laki mo. Hindi ka pa na. Kita-kita ni Giselle kahapon yung nadulas na estudyante.
Saan? Diyan?
Bumaba sa truck. Di ba ate no? Hindi siya makatayo.
Wawa naman, babe.
Oo, pudang dulas kahapon
Eh,
eh.
baka yung sapatos ay madulas. Ano kasi yung shoes mo ba hindi naman madulas?
Pagbaba pa lang yan ng truck. Trucking na. Budang laki.
Naka yung shoes mo hindi madulas?
Doon ang ano, babawal mo kababa dito.
Saan na magababa? Sa gilid?
Ah, ito, tama-tama tayo. Wala na dito. Dito tayo. Oh, abante kaya ang konti. Oh, dali oh.
No stopping dito.
Ay, no stopping. Ay, bumba ka na. May tumatawid eh. O sige,
Stopping.
doon tayo sa kabila.
Snowballs. Dami.
No stopping. Eh, lalayo ka.
mountain.
O sige, may tumatawid naman eh. Sige na. Sige na. Oh.
Nakababa dyan?
Hindi na eh.
Bye, ate.
No stopping eh.
Love you. Love you, ate. Ingat.
No stopping lang pag ano. Ayun.
Tayo mo makaano.
Okay na? Ay, Diyos ko, wala man lang ano. Wala man lang tawag yung tawag doon, bonnet.
Ayun nga, pinapiram. Binibigyan ko na. Ay, meron siyang bonnet eh. Hindi lang siguro naisip ko lang tinainitan.
Ano ba yung tawag doon? Tok.
Ayun na, guys.
Ibigaw ng yan ako. Papa-injection ka na kita.
Oh my God. Pabaksina na ako ngayon, guys. Second dose
Oh my God.
of my COVID vaccination.
Lord, oh my God, Lord.
Pfizer.
Ay, hammer.
Some
Kailan?
communities have limited services at this time, and we anticipate more services may fail as backup battery power depletes if commercial power is not restored. Services impacted include wireless internet and home phone in Yellow Creek, wireless in Maud Lake, Kinistino, and James Smith First Nation. SaskTel crews will work to restore services in all impacted communities as soon as highway conditions improve and it is safe to travel. In the event of an emergency, residents who do not have wireless or home phone service will need to physically contact a member of their emergency services for assistance.
Alam naman ako kay Jocelyn. Jocelyn, ikaw, sasama ko lang yung asawa sa paligid.
Good morning. Here's what's happening. India opened its borders to fully vaccinated foreign tourists entering the country on commercial flights for the first time in nearly 2 years on Monday. Tourists entering the country must be fully vaccinated, test negative for the virus within 72 hours of their flight, and follow all COVID-19 protocols, according to the Health Ministry.
Ayun ay
Nearly
bago ngayon.
100 countries will have access to a generic version of Pfizer's experimental COVID pill. That's because the company has reached a licensing agreement with an international public health group. Low and middle income country fires was thermostats, with 104 reported fires between January 2016
May alam
and
akong daan,
last
baka alam,
September.
baka kasi hindi
Ceremonies
na,
were held in
baka
Prince
sarado
Albert
kasi yun.
Tuesday to commemorate
Doon ako
Louis
dadaan
Real
sa,
Memorial
ano,
Day.
tapat ng ospital.
November 16th marks the anniversary of Real's execution in 1885. According to the Métis Nation website, Real led Métis people in the Northwest Resistance, which at the time was a stand against the government of Canada because it was encroaching on Métis.
Reserve to, andito lahat ng Grand Council, Métis Nation.
Temperature falling to -10. The low of
Dito lahat yung
-10.
office nila.
On Thursday, cloudy, high -4, low -13. In Prince Albert on Wednesday, mainly cloudy, wind at 30 kilometers an hour, high -6, low -17. On Thursday, cloudy, high